Welcome to another week of CodWhispers. Right, today we are down on Cambois Beach and high tide is 11:30, but we're here quite early hour because
low tide, John.
I sorry low tide.
Kind of getting on, right? You know.
I sorry, we're here for low tide, which is 11:30. Right. Sorry, Gary. Right. So high tide is 11:30. Low tide is 11:30.
Who's Gary?
Sorry, Dennis. And also, in the pick and mix today, we have got what? Squid. He's an arse. We've got squid, carp. We have got mackerel. We have got mussel. We have got billies. We have got frozen black look. And have I missed out?
Razor fish.
We've got some razor.
Sandals.
Alright, some sandals, aye. We've got sandals as well, we've got a few there left. And for the gear we're using today, right, I'm using the Aquas Air Power. Gary's using his Sonic SKS Black. With his, sorry, Dennis is using his Dennis is using his Sonic Black with his Abu multipliers. Captain C. The rig I'm using is I have got a pulley rig on with a size 4 hook. And what are you using? You've got no idea, are you? To a flapper or a drop tune? Does it got the top thing synced out? Or has it got flappy bits?
It's got flappy wings.
I'm sorry, Gary's cracking up tonight. I mean, Dennis is cracking up tonight. Right. It's confusing, this. Right, so what, as you can see, we're down on Cambois Beach tonight. It is, so I do apologise if the sound quality is poor because it is very, very windy tonight. And we are having to keep an eye on our roads because
Can't see on it.
we're hoping it's a nice code sea and the next code sea. Fingers crossed, but I think we've said that a few times before. I'm sorry if the camera's moving when I have got a heavy sack on the baby bag on the bottom of it.
So ladies and gentlemen, keep watching because we have got two visitors tonight. I don't know what time it is, so I'll just keep watching and I'll tell you what it is. I've been on the phone was to me. I don't have a chance to say yeah, or no, so just keep watching. It's now starting again.
It is, isn't it? Aye, we're still up. Right, so what we'll do for the meantime, I mean, I didn't think we'll be able to put on the road much tonight. I mean, if I can, I will. It's just, it is pitch black. But we'll try and get you on the roads if we can. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we can. And we'll get back to you if how it happens. Right?
Please get me there, right?
Alright, Gary. I mean, Dennis. Jackie. Right you are, Gary. Right, so we'll get back to you if we catch out. If I know I'm going for a cup of coffee, you brew. Brew up.
Do you?
God, it's always made you know that. Yeah? Nah. Actually, won't get beat. The beat got them on them. Oh shit. Flick the back up, Gary. Flick the back up.
It's a long whack, Judd.
It's a long whack now, isn't it?
Hey. Judd picked this place. You see it will go for no water. It will go taste no water.
It's like getting a marathon at the bottom, isn't it?
Like 3/4 of a mile, just a cast.
Remind him.
Oh, it's never mind. See, there you go again, never mind.
You're the one that keeps saying it, not me.
Because you got me Duali, man.
Gary,
Duali.
you've always been Duali. Haven't you, Gary?
Okay, Sam.
Yeah, man.
Yay! You'll have the ladies and gentlemen confused now.
Hey, look, I see you.
I'm pretty confused on my name.
That was getting confused.
Anyway, we're trying night fishing. No water. This idiot. Yeah, see, again.
See, yeah, again. Because you're
Hey.
cracking up, that's why.
I'm going to be lying in a nice warm bed. Not with him.
No.
Bleep! I think it's going to be a blunt tonight, John.
Aye, I think it might be enough. Right, I'm going to pull mine and stick it for that door because it's getting right. Every time you cast out, you put your rod down the water's further out.
It's weird, isn't it? I don't blame them.
It's never actually.
It's cold, it's windy, it's been absolutely chocolate to him.
And Gary's confused as hell.
Gary's gone right. We get enough from him.
I don't know. You just look like a Gary.
I look like a Gary.
You do? You look like a Gary.
John, we've been mates for over 40 years and he just, just
You think you look like Gary?
put it in the comments. Do I look like a Gary?
Oh, classic.
He looks like an idiot.
What?
You look like an idiot. Oh, I've got a chill to sell some of them.
Oh shit, the drink. What? Yeah, we've got me bored. Bleep. Right, Gary, I'm gonna get checked.
You be dreaming about Gary the night.
What?
You be dreaming about Gary the night. I don't know who the hell Gary is.
You're long lost twin. Right, I'm a weird day, man.
You're weird, do you what?
Oh shit, Kevin, oh, this is killing me. Right,
Ladies and gentlemen, he's wee-ween sale because he's laughing.
right, I must get checked. Right, I need to go further. Right, I'll leave the camera with you.
Okay, Sam. He's an idiot. I don't know where I'm getting him from. Anyway, thank you for the views and that. And the videos. Fantastic. We're all getting up there. Subscribers is getting up as well. You got out, Sam?
Huh?
You got out, Sam? See the nice beard he's got?
Huh?
Nice beard he's got on there. And they're still not taken.
Yeah.
Big beards. For big beards.
Squeeze, through the black, and muscle.
But also turn another thing. Not a thing. But I think John's the jinx.
I'm the jigs.
Aye.
Yeah, you're the jigs. Right.
I'm gonna give it to him because
It's
watch him fouling. I would love to see him fouling. And there she blows, where they don't lie. You know what it is, Sam? You'll have these poor people who watches this video and think, hang on, why they changed the names? Because he's trying to confuse you, ladies and gentlemen.
This Dennis looks like a Gary.
Anyway, what does John look like? Put it in the comments.
What can I say? I'm wonderful.
Oh, hey, hold that.
Huh?
Hey, hold him.
Who's out of time?
So, John, I'll ask you a question.
That depends if it's sensible or not. But
It is
it'll not be
sensible.
cool for me.
So, where's all these fish?
Wait, you tell me. You're the one that comes here and scares them out of you.
You know what he was gonna do, ladies and gentlemen? He was gonna put me on the end of the road. You know how you would.
Aye, where's the still real yet?
It's nasty, isn't it?
That's the white yet. That's all.
It's gone ding 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 ding.
And then you walk up.
I had a dream.
Aye,
There was no cod in the sea.
that's very good to see the place.
Lovely sea. Even I thought it was going to be a bass or something.
What?
Bass? No?
I'll take out at this bit of time.
Come here. I'll punch you. No, I can't. Because I'm abusing you.
Yes.
That was one of the comments.
He did this. He does. He keeps getting me constantly. I need a bodyguard.
You've now what body?
What?
You've now what body?
Dude, 4 years all the time.
So, if we get a blank tonight, you know, it's John's fault.
Whose fault? Whose?
Sam's. That's
Yeah,
it.
it's him, Gary.
There's the rain coming.
By the way, you're going to kill me, you know.
Exactly.
Huh?
Exactly.
Oh.
Aye.
You are.
Aye. Well, here's the rain coming, but drips never get wet. Oh dear me.
It looks like the trusty word. Let us
During the next time we come out, will you wear a mask?
no, next time we'll come up, we can't do it.
Because I think it's you frightening the fish weird.
See, that's it.
Oh, my words I have a mile away, I've just cast it in.
What?
I've just cast it in, my words I have.
I know, it's right over
Right
there.
over there. I'll be fishing on the sand. In fact, I might catch a flatty on the sand.
I need to apologise to people for it.
Wait, wait, John. We gotta get a hand of this camera
I'll have this camera.
because I'm gonna put the road in again.
Because they'll be getting sick of your voice.
Some
Because I get sick of these voices all the time.
waiting on fishing on the sand.
You can't bring it in. You can't get it in. So you're going to start winching again. You ever need to tell me what to do? And you just say you can't bring it in. Right. Dennis has went and done it, hasn't he?
We just done a bit of flatty.
Aye. Species of the night, but not a plan.
Does the key.
Oh god. Yeah, we're getting again. Hey, what we'll do? Dennis will get it pulled off, and then I get to see it's mommy and daddy. What?
Did you realise what you Sorry. Sorry, ladies.
He's very childish, what can I say? I mean, oh wait. Right, it's now 1 o'clock in the morning. And it is dark. Very dark. Very, very dark. But up to now, Dennis has caught one flatty. I have had one, but I lost it.
You lost it.
And he's seen it, so I've got a witness.
But you didn't get no fault, did you?
I know, because I didn't land it.
Didn't land it. Sorry, son.
But
See, it was would have took one not easy.
it was fine when it was coming in, and then all of a sudden I lost it. And I'll be honest with you, I could have cried. I could have done with a nice catch tonight. Look at you.
I think what I'm gonna say,
What we gonna do?
between the two of us, John's supposed to be the professional. Right, because he's gone out and yeah, we can't use it.
I'm not arguing with that.
But who catches the fish first?
But the thing is though, but I'm teaching you how which because you never know what rig you're using. Do you? What rigs you gonna know?
See, you put us off now.
It's a fishing channel.
But who catches the fish first? Who's had a fish the night? He's all gone quiet over there. He's all gone quiet over there. He's all gone quiet. All gone quiet. Oh, gone quiet over there. Over there.
Ah, shut up, Gary. The tide's coming in hard and quick now. I didn't think we'll be here much longer. I'm getting pushed back, and it's past the mark now with catching anything, I think. So what we'll do is we'll probably have another cast, and then probably pack up, I would imagine. But I've enjoyed. It's been an enjoyable trip. I enjoyed it here. Today's fish film. I've always enjoyed coming here. I just hope you lot all enjoy your fishing trips as much as what we do. I would like to think you did. I mean, if you didn't, that's fair enough. But if anybody's got any suggestions, not what they would like to see we do, mind apart from drowning in Dennis, leave in the comments below and we'll see what we do. Right, I'll give you. No, I've been telling you, I'm using a pulley rig. I'll just give you a rundown of it. Okay. I'm using a 7-ounce lead for the clip down, as you can see. Clip down clip for the hook. I mean, sorry, for the hook and the lead. Right, 80-pound rig body for the main rig. Right, size 8mm black bead, 2 size 8mm black beads. There's a pulley, like a pulley swivel, can you see? And for the hook line, right, sorry, it's got a 80-pound swivel in between. And for the hook line, I'm using a 30-pound line, which I've got going down to a stop bead. With on this one, I've got 2 size 3 hooks. But as you can see, that bead's good, so I'm going to change it. Right, so I'm going to get this bead back up there. Hopefully, catch something else. Right, you see something else, catch something else. Yeah, it is. I don't know if I'm knackered because of the work I'm not doing or what. I feel like I've walked about 50 miles. Because when we first got here, we dumped our gear where the water was, but we just left our gear there. So we just followed our roads up and down. But stupid us, and that's up the wise thing to do. Left out a bait now at the top. So I'm absolutely exhausted, and I keep knocking his hour. And this is base camp. I'll show you in a second. It's a bit of a mess, like, but we're out to clean up the mess. But the mess is our stuff. People come down, they have that tackle box and everything, and that's it. We come down, we'll have everything. I'll let you see. We even come down with a kitchen light, with a light. We've got our seats, our flasks. We've got everything there. But it's a good night. That's just as tired as me for the working. We'll get back to you shortly. Well, the time is now 2:30 in the morning. And up to now, Dennis has had one, still one flatty. I've had one that got away. Excuse me, my nose is running.
There's one thing.
I don't know.
So we're having the last cast there. Famous last cast.
Well,
10 hours gets on the last cast.
text me horse.
Me.
But hopefully we do get something on last cast actually. It'd be nice to get something. So we've both put fresh baits on, we've found one word so not literally, no one feel like it.
Completely.
Hopefully, fingers crossed we will get something for last cast. And if we do, we'll bring you back and show you.
Sure. Next time, I'll pick the place, I'll pick the tides. And we're just getting into the water. We use catching the water. It doesn't have us low water or high water or cold. So we do. I can speak now.
2 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Right, before I was rudely interrupted, let's get back to fishing and not Dennis whinging. You got Alice to whinging wood before I start taking the wood actual fishing, like we're actually supposed to be doing. But then you'll find it in 5 seconds.
See,
you see what I mean?
See, you've got to have the lot, you know. Go on, carry on. I'll keep you going, shut.
Right.
Speak.
I'm gonna clout him. Right. We've had, like we've just said, before rudely interrupted, we've had put fresh baits on my road, we've chucked them wood, and hopefully we'll get something the last cast. But if we didn't, it's been a nice night. I've enjoyed it. I haven't enjoyed the company, mind you, but I've enjoyed it.
I said it's been a nice night before, with a north road, and I got rain. Yeah, nice night. It's been raining.
Aye, because it was raining doing. It was raining doing. It was raining, it was windy. But I'll go new.
Like, because you kept your roof shut.
No, you stopped farting. Hang on a minute. I kept my roof shut.
We're going to close this up or what?
I'm trying to. Yeah, it is. I'm trying to do a fishing channel and get idiots like that. Right. You're an arsehole. Right. If it's out. If it's out else, we shall get back to you. So for the time being.
Hey, who's that tournament? It's a puppet!
You know what it is. Yes, he's special needs, yes, he's like a child, and he's got the mentality of a 5-year-old, so I do apologise for him.
I thought it was a 3-year-old.
Well, you're 3-year-old because I believe that as well.
They have went open the skill.
Believe me, you haven't. Right. I've lost our track now.
It's going to be 4 o'clock before we'll finish this.
But if you keep quiet, let us take.
Right.
Yeah, it is. He's even like this off the camera. A pain in the up. You've lot's got no idea where they're going to put it away. Why the hell have I been mates with him for that long? I've got no idea. Right. Right now. If it's out else, we'll get back to you. But for the time being, if we didn't catch it out, I'm not going to come back. I'm going to kick your ass in a minute. Right, so for the time being, it's goodbye from Gary.
And goodbye for us.
Right, so tight lines.
Tight lines, folks.
See you next time on the beach. Hopefully without that.